Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Gemini app. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear all data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Click on search icon. Search Gemini app. Update your Google Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Again open your Gemini app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.